Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? Rear wheel drive, Steno rear wheel drive, VQ Steno back at it. And today is gonna be something chill for real. I'm in that Beemer, about to go get this tinted up. Cold start for y'all. See that G right there. About to go get her tinted up. It's a fishbowl right now. Can't be riding in no fishbowl. Yeah, man. Let's go ahead and get the video started, man. Hey, y'all, don't mind a little low tire pressure. I think we got a slow leak, but I just pumped her up. On the way to the tint shop right now. Man, I don't know what the fuck this truck doing. Get out my way, shorty. Thank you. I don't know if the camera got that, but he looked over hella awkwardly. Yeah, you better wait too. Snip it. Sure, we all wait for that tint shot, man. About to go see what it do. It's a truck, so y'all know trucks already come with tint on the back windows for real. So, and those are 20%. I don't want to get 20s on the side, it's a little too light. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get 15, 20, the whole windshield. Just so it looks even around. It's probably gonna be just dark enough for real. I don't need this car too dark anyway. My brother gonna be the main one driving it for real, so just going to get this done for her. You know what I mean? Put that back. She gets up. It's a dream. Hurry up and get there, y'all, because I was supposed to be there at 12:30. It's like 12:38, and I'm like 8 minutes away from real, but that's because the car won't have a flat. I don't know why. The sign gone now, so we should be good to go. Even though I put it on like 29s. Go ahead and throw that bad boy on 35 when I get to the shop. Please let me know what type of car this is. Please, I do not know what this is. Ionker? That thing electric as hell. It's a Hyundai? I don't know what that was. Man, that thing was fucking. We'll close as soon as I got here. I was gonna make the cut too. So that white truck ain't gonna like me. So we dropped out the truck right here. You know what I mean? I seen this. I don't know who car this is, but it's one of them. This is hard. Y'all see him? Go ahead and give him a shout out. Tan Auto Detailing. It's my first time being here, but this is a crazy spec. Crazy spec. This is hard. I like how you got that orange right there. That's hard. Yeah, it's hard. That's hard. There go that thing right there. You know what, man? I'm about to take him away. Yeah, but this is crazy though. See if I can get the inside for y'all. Ooh, the orange seats. Ooh, yeah, that's hard. That's hard, y'all. See the minivan. They do car wash, tan, auto detailing. They do car washes. I like how he got to match with the blue calipers. This tinted out too. Like that with the sun strip. Y'all see the number right there. Go ahead and give them. It's my first time going to them, but they seem like cool people for real. 443-943-5526. I believe they do detailing as well, all types of stuff. So that's what's up for real. This off of Liberty Road. Oh, they got the headlights tinted too. I ain't even peeped that. They got everything tinted. I like that. Oh, that's hard right there. That's hard. I ain't even really peeped that. They off of Liberty Road. I think it's 9029 Liberty Road, something like that. But if y'all look them up, y'all should be able to see it for real. I'm excited to see how the truck gonna turn out. Should be pretty dark. Should be pretty cool for real. Yes, sir.
Good parts.
Yeah. I came just in time. I think it look a little dark. I like that. It's locked. Ooh, appreciate you. Dang. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Yeah, this is crazy.
Get some Beemer in this.
It's a crazy. This is crazy. I ain't never seen this in person before, y'all. Orange guts, carbon steering wheel, carbon center. Hey, 12,000 miles, brand new. It's hard. Race bucket seats. The full carbon bucket seats. Yeah, that's crazy.
I feel like it'd be like that cool. Take it with it. Always do a video coming out.
Video coming out, take those eyes back. Y'all see how they did, y'all. Tan auto detailing. Y'all can go ahead and get at them. Good, y'all. Did a real good job. Go ahead and inspect that. Yeah, it's clean work, y'all. It's clean work. My fault. Go ahead, go ahead. You try to get a picture. Good YouTube, I love we throwing that seatbelt. I already like the tip. Big difference. Hate being in the fishbowl. It feels way cooler in here. All that, but I'm about to give y'all a POV video. I'm mad at throwing in sport. Sport this place. Yes sir. Get to it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sound real good. I love the no tint, man. I mean, I love the tint. Y'all see the 20 on the windshield, 15 on the sides. Came out real good. I feel like no one can see me at all. Anyway. Floating. Floating, y'all. Yes, hope y'all, I hope this angle good for y'all. Look good in the mirror. Oof. It's floating, y'all. Switching gears. You know it. Oof. Y'all go ahead and let me know how y'all day going, man. Just got the car tinted, ready to go back to the crib. Ready to go fill the G up. Alright. Had to put some tint on this bad boy. Or this bad girl. I don't even know what the hell her name is yet. Shit just smooth. Downshift. 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 Real smooth. Tight. Got my man Jordo with me right there. I don't know if y'all can see him. My camera was on at the stop, it was on at the stoplight. There's Jordo in the big body Tahoe. Yeah, man. He pulled up on me while he was getting that thing. Y'all tuned into his channels too. He be doing reactions. He be doing stoner vids, all that. Yeah, man. At the last stop sign, I stopped like I wasn't recording. I'm recording now though.
Whoa, dummy. It's your boy Jordo up in this bitch.
Yeah, man.
With the Tahoe, we out here with Stino.
Yeah, man. It look dark. How it look?
It look tough, bro. I'm not gonna tell.
It look hot. Good, good, good.
I got the front.
Yeah, the front one. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, back. Huh?
You ready to slide this shit?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
All right, come on. Make sure ain't no boys on this road before I hit it. She hung in the corner good. Let's straighten out first. Whew. I was 120, y'all. 115 or something. Go ahead, go back to comfort mode. I'm done. I'm tired. But y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all seen it. Go ahead and fix my head because it's GoPro. Y'all seen it. Y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed the POV. And yes, sir. Top. action. I can't put down my windows, man. Y'all see it. Oh, he not trying to get the. Oh, he lucky he going over there.